Hey. Candid, cleaning conversations. Everybody gather round, it's a celebration that we're still standing. Big up Katrina, she the inspiration. Came up from the bottom, she here with that motivation. Here to teach and inspire, help you aim higher, help you dream bigger, get what you desire. Real recognize, real iron sharp as iron. Let us grow your cleaning business. She ain't playing around, yeah, the queen mean business. Just stick around, get down with a podcast. Hold it down, here we go, foot on the gas. Candid, cleaning conversation. Hey, 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 hey.
Welcome back, everybody, to another podcast. Today, I'm sorry, I forgot to say, this is another episode of Candid Cleaning Conversations. All right, I'm your host, Mrs. Johnson.
And I'm the co-host, Miss Tamika. How you doing?
So crazy. All right, so today, what are we talking about today?
Oh, girl, you forgot that quick, girl. We is talking about, is the customer always right?
Is the customer always right, y'all? I know all of my cleaning business mentees and everybody that's out there listening to us is gonna say, hell no, they ain't always right? I know. They're not always right. But according to Google, it says, yes, they are always right. Let me tell you why I would say they say that the customer is always right. When we know technically there are situations where the customer is not always right. Okay, because if I have someone cleaning somebody's house and the customer comes in there and start kicking off their shoes and throwing shit all over the place after a person just cleaned up, that's not right, baby. And if I had someone, drive all the way out to do an Airbnb that a customer booked, and then come to find out that the tenants, not the tenants, but the guests are still in there and they extended their stay, but the clients didn't let us know, that's not fair. They should have let us know, okay? Because we sent someone out there and that was that person's time. So, that's not right? So if I charge for that inconvenience fee, and the customer gets mad and gives me a bad review, were they right or was I right? Okay. So the customer's not always right. So the thing I would say is we have to learn how to do better business, and how to end things with a good note. Yeah, that's what I try to do.
Yeah, I would have to agree because truth be told, honey, the only reason why we be like the customers are always right is because we got to save our face guard, honey. Because you don't want somebody to ruin your reputation. It took you years to get there, and somebody can destroy your reputation in literally a blink of an eye.
Right.
So it's like you have to try to keep your composure and just say, you know what, I'm going to take one for the team. I ain't going to say nothing. I'm going to just take that. I'm going to take that, but catch me outside. It'll be something different. Right. But we just have to save our face card, okay? Just save your face card and just let them be right, even though we know come on now. They are not right at all, especially when they say certain things up under their breath and they feel like, I got away with what I said, but you can't say nothing because I'm the customer and you going to want my money. Well, you want my service.
Mm-hmm. So, I feel the same way, I feel like, man, listen, I just try to end things with a good note. If a customer pissed me off or whatever and they piss my client, my contractors don't want to work there no more. I have a lot of contracts that I have let go. Guess what, y'all? All money is not good money.
I think you should repeat that.
All money is not good money. Okay? I have let clients go comfortably. I told my story on when I let one of my biggest clients go this year. It was $10,000 a month. It was Airbnb contract, and I was doing on average $10,000 a month, and I comfortably was able to just let them go,
right? Because
it was not a good fit for me. It was giving me a headache, and ever since we let them go, things have been smooth sailing. So maybe it just wasn't for me. The next contractor that takes it, maybe they can make those low wages work out. But the people were not trying to go up on the prices anymore, and I didn't feel like doing anything else for those prices. It wasn't working for me, so I let them go. And it's okay. You know what I mean? But the most important thing is ending it on a good note. You know, you don't want to end it, you know, take all their sheets and not return the sheets. See, I returned everything. You want to end things on a good note. You want to be professional about this thing, man. You are a business owner right now, right?
Right. At the end of the day, you are. And you want to make sure that, like I said, your reputation, because you know that you're going to have to build this reputation for people to apply for, you know, to work with your company. And, you know, if we hear something out in the street about somebody, what we going to do? No matter if we know the truth or not, the first thing we're going to be like is, child, I ain't going to do that then. I ain't going to go that place. How many places have we went by and somebody been like, well, the food nasty, and we ain't even gave it a shot, but we just was like, oh, we're not going to go eat there.
Yeah, because we'll look at the reviews.
Yeah.
See, and a lot of times I just be trying to save my reviews. So I will actually refund a client just to save my reviews.
Yeah.
You know, I've done that before where we went out there, we try to please clients. Clients are still nitpicky and stuff like that. So I'll just, you know what? I'll give you your money back. If you still nitpicking and we just can't get it right, here is your money. I will apologize. I will be very apologetic about it, and I will let that client go. We're no longer working with this client.
Right.
And also Airbnb clients that are sickening as hell.
Oh my God. We tend to not go back and forth with them.
We have had some in the past that are really, really nitpicky.
Oh my God.
And I don't care to keep doing business with people like that.
Absolutely not.
You know, I mean, if I have over 40 Airbnb customers and they're fine with the way we're running our thing, and now we got Miss Nikki Picky over here that want to nitpick about every cotton picking thing, you're not going to be getting on my nerves every day.
At this point, just go ahead and clean your own Airbnb, because nothing that we do is going to be satisfactory.
Somebody else is a better fit for you, baby. Okay.
Right. Don't be scared. I mean, some people you just cannot please. That's just what it is at the end of the day. But just know your self-worth and know that you can't please everybody. And it's okay, you know, for you not to be able to please everybody.
Right. It's okay for you to say no to some of these contracts too. I know you want to make some money. I know you want to, but like I said, everybody is not your client. Okay? Everybody is not your client, baby. So you got to remember that. You can leave. It's okay to leave some money on the table, y'all. It's all right. To save my sanity, I will leave some money on the table.
Yes. And the time, your time. You have to understand what you take time out to do. Because it takes a lot of energy to sit there and to go back and forth. And one thing you don't want to do is go back and forth with a customer. Because some people, let me tell you right now, honey, a lot of people will try you because they want to get something out of you. They want a reaction because they want to put something out on you. So you have to listen to how you respond. You know, just take a second.
I kill them with kindness.
Right.
I kill them with kindness all the time. I'm never rah-rah with a customer. That is so unprofessional. I'll hang up the phone and start cussing like a sailor now.
She not lying.
But when I'm on the phone, I am very calm. I am very professional when I'm talking to them. I don't care whether they are heated or what. I'm always remaining calm, always remaining professional, because I am a business owner at the end of the day. And I can't let your frustration rub off on me, because energy flows. Okay?
Oh my God.
Energy flows. If someone is on the other line upset, cussing and fussing, you know, that is going to travel over to me. You know, because remember we were talking in the last podcast about words, right? Words. Go back and listen to our other podcasts about words and how words have energy and they travel, you know. So, but I remain calm. Don't I?
At all times.
At all times. And that goes with contractors as well, dealing with workers as well. Your workers aren't always right either.
Girl, look, she touching
always right either.
She touching on some touchy things.
They come to you and they're very argumentative about stuff, and you know I have to be the same person, calm, understanding. Yep, I'm sure you did clean that tub. I'm sure you did. Yep. I'm sure you did mop that floor twice.
You guys,
I'm
Miss
sure
Johnson
you did.
is definitely, she is definitely the calm one. Me, on the other hand, I cannot deal with it. I would just have to walk away because I'm a work in progress right now. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that right now because some of these people, they are challenging and they know the right things to say along, with the contractors and the clients. I would definitely have to walk away because it's just like
You just a work in progress.
Yeah,
right? I'm working on.
I mean, it's just when you know your worth and you know what you provide as a company and you know what you try to do to empower people within the company. It's like when they say certain things and you try to make sure that even if they know they have to go back, they catch an attitude, and these people don't even know who they're going to talk to. Like that situation where one of our contractors went to the office and they said something because it was a piece of hair. They know they did everything they could do, but because it was a piece of hair, they went to the office and did not know that they were talking to the regional manager. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And it's just like you really have to watch what you say, and you got to watch your temper. You just have to watch a lot of things that you do, and just understand at that moment. I understand if you feel like the customer is not right, just don't take it out on them. Don't say anything at that moment.
You cannot let people get to your energy, man. You have to learn how to protect your energy.
Period.
Okay? Yeah, you're not going to ever catch me bombing on no client.
At all.
Like, that's so unprofessional. You're not gonna ever catch me, because I did this and it should never get to that level. It should never get to that level, man. Ever. If you talking about being a millionaire,
right?
You said you wanted to own $1 million cleaning company, right? So you should never let it get to that. You hang up the phone and then you let it loose, baby.
Okay.
But in front of the clients, you got to learn how to protect your energy. So that's why I don't bomb off, baby. I don't let people get to me.
Period.
I don't give a damn. You literally have to come and slap me or something like that for me. I'm going to get up then. Then it's going to be time.
So to answer your question, is the customer always right? Absolutely not. But in the world of professionalism, we have to say yes and save our face to make sure that our company upholds the name that it deserves. Because we want to still get those 5-star ratings that we need to have. And, another thing that I noticed that working with Miss Johnson, she definitely over delivers with a lot of her customers, even when she don't have to. Definitely over deliver, and if you over deliver, then you wouldn't have no problems. Right. But every now and again, it might be a needle in a haystack that might give you some issues, and I don't know what these people be going through in their life, and they be miserable half of the time, and that saying, misery love company. So a lot of people just be trying to get up under your skin.
That's what it be. People that are argumentative about a freaking hair in a corner. Like your life is jacked up. You miserable. You just want to argue and be argumentative. But I'm not gonna let you get in my spirits. I got a whole money making. I'm trying to make some money out here. Right. You know what I mean? We focus on the big dollar. Okay. I got kids to feed. I got kids to raise. Okay. I don't have time to put all my energy into that. So I'll handle the situation. If I have to give you a refund, I'll give you your refund. I'll give you your funky little $150 back, okay, to keep my energy, to be sane at the end of the day. Okay,
I have to
so
agree
is
on
the
that.
customer always right?
Hell no. I can say it in 4 different languages. No.
The customer is not always right, but we have to remain professional and handle things a professional way, man. So even when they're not right, they're right. Okay, y'all. Even when they're not right, they're right. You got to just go ahead and just, handle the situation, please them, and pray that they don't give you no bad review at the end of the day. Okay? Yeah. Because them reviews count, y'all. Like, for real. Like, I got reviews on my page that don't need to be. I got negative reviews on my cleaning business page that don't need to be there. Okay? Somebody was bitching about some prices or something like that.
You don't even
I
have
don't even got prices on my page. See, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on. And at the end of the day, when people shop with you, they look at your reviews. Reviews are very, very important. So that's just my take on it, man. Everybody is subject to their own opinions. Y'all drop some comments down below. Y'all make sure y'all rate this podcast. You got any final words?
None at all.
Other than that, y'all know I am out of here. I stole Martin shit, y'all. Peace.
Peace.
Bye, y'all.